All right, what's up, guys? So this is just a quick video over here about how to calculate your own working timetable. So right now I have a blank Excel spreadsheet here. Everything here is just inputted as text. And what I have here for the rate is just going to be, I put it in currency form, but you don't have to do that. It's just to go and just make setup a little bit easier. So one of the things to go and keep in mind is that if you want to go and use this in real time, the first thing you're gonna want to do is put in the date. So what you do here is that you just use this shortcut on Windows. At least you're going to be using Control semicolon, and that'll give you today's date. And if you want to put in your time in, you put Ctrl+Shift and semicolon. So that's cool. It goes and gives you the time that you want. So now let's say I'm just going to go put it in manually over here. I start at 8 a.m., right? And then my time out is going to go and be right now, which is going to be 2:20. And if I want to get the total hours, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go and make a subtraction between the time out minus the time in, and then I'm going to multiply it by 24. So one of the things is that your output over here is given as time, and that really doesn't make much sense. And that's because I guess the data type is custom. So what you're going to want to go and do is just set it to number. And then you have the total hours that's worked here. So now for you to go and get the rate that you want, you're going to go and take this and all of column D over here. So column D, and get the amount that you're owed. You just multiply the rate by the total hours. So put that there, and there you have it. So let's just do another couple of other dates over here. So just to go make it easier, I'm just gonna add one here to each one. All right, we'll put in the same time. See, so it's kind of multiplying down. It doesn't really matter for now, but you go and you put your time in and time out. Just to go and recall, putting your time in, you're going to be using Control semicolon. Oh, that's for the date. But for the current time, you're going to use Control+Shift semicolon. And there you have it. So now to go and get your total hours, you just sum that up over here, and you have your time, and then you have your amount owed. So that's kind of quick and dirty video about how to go and do it. I decided to put it out because I didn't really see any videos on how to do it, and I thought it'd be useful for other people as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take care.